The future of security tokens is insane, and guys, I'm talking about that today, but after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's roll the video, let's get straight in. First, we're jumping over to prnewswire.com, okay, and we're looking at this article here. So INX1 builds the company's mission to increase access for US and internal investors to the growing opportunities in the digital economy. Now, furthermore, the launch of INX1 sets a global standard for efficiently achieving decentralization. Now, in financial markets, okay, while simultaneously providing the necessary regulatory guardrails through close collaboration with US and global regulators. So for token issuers, INX1 is a true token as a service platform designed for capital raise purposes. The unified regulated hub streams in the assurance processes by providing everything needed to quickly and easily issue a digital security token to raise capital. An end-to-end solution for users, okay? INX1 issuance services includes transfer agent, broker-dealer, and ATS licenses to raise capital and the list of the token for secondary trading, smart contract design, and marketing and promotion support. INX holds all of the necessary licenses issuers need, along with a global team of experts to offer guidance along the way. So what are security tokens and who's using them? So essentially, a security token is one that securitizes a world asset. So the coin is backed by an asset that has a tangible value, unlike an ICO that involves utility coins, which might accelerate in the value, but can also turn into ether. Now, security tokens enable assets to become much more liquid as they allow fractional ownership of an asset. Their blockchain-based structure means the ownership rights are transparent and easily verifiable. Here's a simplified example of security tokens at work. Your friend is starting a cat food company, but needs investors. She offers a Meow Meow security token for $1, with a goal of raising $250,000. Investors buy blocks of the tokens, and this ownership might come with certain rights or dividends. Your friend receives the money necessary to build a business, and the investors gain ownership stakes and the potential for profits as the business succeeds. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a novel and exciting possibility, but it can actually be challenging to comprehend them. Bitcoin is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, and the Bitcoin price prediction is a way to see how it will be in the future. So on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network, Bitcoin is a decentralized currency that may be transferred. Blockchain is a term used to refer to a public distributed ledger where Bitcoin transactions are stored and cryptographically validated by network nodes. So the prediction for this is by 2030, Bitcoin is going to finally surpass its previous ATH values, that's all-time high, and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $185,000, potentially reach a maximum price of $197,000, averaging around $190,000. Guys, you can see the price change. If you follow this article at bitcoinwisdom.com, you'll see the live prediction as well. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.